Meteorologist Darby Bybee tells us how long the beautiful weather will stick around.
Well, beautiful, certainly. We could use some rain in northwest Arkansas in particular. The River Valley as well. One thing that we've had plenty of this week has been the cool weather. Take a look at the almanac today in Fayetteville. High temperature and the low temperature both well below average. This is what we saw today, 81 and 55, well below the average. And that 55 low tied for a record. We've had 5 record cold temperatures so far this week in northwest Arkansas. In the River Valley, Fort Smith, take a look at the almanac here. No record low set today, but we've had 4 record cold temperatures so far this week with that big cold front that moved through early last week. 84 today, the high, 64 the low, well below the average temperatures for this time of year. Out there right now, we've got 81 in Fayetteville, 83 in Fort Smith. The really hot weather right now off to the west, and the cool weather over the top of us and the east. Well, that's because we've got the jet stream that's dug into the eastern part of the United States. As we go through the next couple of days, the jet stream lifts off to the north and east. The heat, it builds in a big way, and really building in, I think, for Tuesday at 4 p.m. Those 90s back in the forecast for northwest Arkansas. So let's get ready for tonight. We are looking at another cool night for us, below average temperatures at least. No record's going to be set tonight, but it's going to feel very nice as we wake up to temperatures in the 60s Monday morning. Monday afternoon, looking a little bit warmer for us. High temperatures in the mid to upper 80s for northwest Arkansas, though still pretty much close to average for this time of year, even a little bit below average. Same thing for us in the River Valley with high temperatures right around 90 degrees on Monday, and the Ouachita's highs near 90. A lot of sunshine I expect tomorrow afternoon. Now let's take a look at our in-house model. As we go through time, we're going to notice that we don't have much in the way of rainfall in the forecast. We could certainly use it in northwest Arkansas in particular. As I mentioned, nothing on Monday and really nothing to show up on our radar on Tuesday. But as we look to the north on Tuesday, there is going to be a cold front making its way through the northern plains. With that cold front, some chances of storms and yes, some cooler weather associated with it. Let's take a look at the next 7 days in northwest Arkansas. High temperatures, as I mentioned, getting back into the 90s on Tuesday. 90 on Wednesday, but good chances of storms with that cold front. We cool off a little bit for Thursday and Friday before heating back up next weekend with slight chances of showers and storms next weekend. In the River Valley, it's going to be especially hot here. High temperatures in the mid-90s by our Tuesday. Looking at good chances for storms there on Wednesday with that cold front moving through. A little bit of a cool down, not much of one, but a little bit of one for Thursday and Friday before another cold front arrives next weekend with more slight chances of rain.